In this video, we are going to show you how you can exchange your Wi-Fi network on the Fronius WLAN. This is the case whenever you are changing your network or, for example, when you exchange your Wi-Fi router. How to do so, we will show you directly in the Solar.wattpilot app. First up, your device is offline since the network connection is lost. To add a new network connection, you need to hit the button on top where the device name and the serial number is written down. Please hit this button and then hit the plus button to add a new device. There you can hit the setup button to connect to your Wi-Fi access point of the WLAN itself. Alternative, you can do this by just adding the SSID and the password in your device configuration list in your network settings. After that, you can just hit the button Scan QR code and scan the QR code on the RFID reset card that you have in scope of delivery. After that, you see no network is connected, therefore hit the Connect Network button and select Wi-Fi. There you see your old network is already there and not longer connected. Therefore, please hit the new network that you want to connect to exchange it from the old one. Therefore, we hit the SSID that we want to connect and please fill in the password of the new network and hit the Save button after entering the password. Please note, this can take some moments until the WLAN is connected to the new Wi-Fi. After the WLAN is now connected to the new network, you can just skip all the other parts of the commissioning assistant since the WLAN is already commissioned and we just changed the network. So after hitting skip and next, you can now open up the dashboard and your WLAN is now online again and back on track so you can do monitoring, visualization and control. Last but not least, you can delete the old network that is not longer available. Hit the settings button, then the network button, and then the Wi-Fi. And there you will find your old network name. Just hit the arrow on the right side and hit the delete network button to delete the old network. And now only your new network is available and you are connected. The WLAN is online again and you are fixed and finishing exchanging the network on the WLAN.